Hi everyone, once again welcome to Digital Zenith. In this video we will discuss about what is the Facebook ad. So if we see the definition of the Facebook ads, then we can see that the Facebook ads are the paid message that business place on the Facebook to reach a specific audience. Like on the Facebook creative, you will post something, image, videos, and you will run the ads of this creative, and you can reach to particular your targeted audience. So the key points are there for the Facebook. The first one is the paid, like business pay to place ad on Facebook, unlike regular posts which are free. Like Facebook ads is different from the normal posting. In normal posting, we just go to the Instagram and post our creative video or reel, and that's done. But in the term of the Facebook ads, we have to pay for particular reach, to pay for uploading the creative image, and pay for gaining the targeted audience. Basically, the reach can be decided on the budget factor. If your budget is smaller, then the reach will be smaller. If the budget is greater, then reach will be also greater. The next point is the targeted. Ads can be targeted to specific, like in the Facebook ads, we can target our ads to specific demographics, location, profile information. So basically in the Facebook ads, we can target the people on the basis of their interest, on the basis of their location, like they are living in Delhi, Gurgaon, Haryana. So on this point, so we can see that on the basis of the targeted, we can also target. Now the formats is there. Ads format can be multiple formats. It can be image, it can be video, it can be causal. So there will be no limitation. You can add the creative, you can run the creative, run the ads, Facebook ads via the image, via the video, via the reel, any type of the or exciting post. The placement is there. Ads may appear throughout the Facebook ads, including, like in this you can arrange the playlist, like you can market. And the Facebook ads, you can decide the placement. In the term of the placement, like you want to show your ads on Instagram, you want to show your ads Messenger, Facebook. So you can decide like on which you want to show your ads. So according to that, you can decide the placement of that. The cost is there. Ads we're gonna pay PPC model, where the advertiser pay for each time you click on the ads. So Facebook ads work on the PPC kind of the model, in that what we have to do, in that we have to pay when user click on the ads. So once the user will click on that we have to pay the amount. So if we want to gain more reach, then we have to apply more budget. If we want to gain low reach, so in this case low budget will be fine. Facebook will also suggest like same type of the industry are applying this budget per day, and they are getting approx this result. So that we can also see in the Facebook ads dashboard. Now you can say the Facebook ads can help marketer increase visibility for their ads. If your budget is high, in this case we can see that the reach of your ads will be increased. If your ads will be shown to the multiple people, the reach is more. So you can see that the awareness is there, like people are getting your brands. From that you can measure metrics. You can identify like number of the clicks you got, number of the budget you have spent, and number of the message you have got. So you can measure the metrics, and you can also define the campaign goals. What are the campaign goals? Like you are running a Facebook ads for the sales purpose, for the message purpose, that you can decide in the previous. Create better, more optimized campaign in the future. So from on the basis of these metrics and campaign goal, whatever the result you have gained from the previous campaign, so you can implement the particular learning from that campaign to the next campaign. In this way you can create the better next campaign. So this is the Facebook ads. Facebook ads is just a paid message that business place on the Facebook to reach a specific audience. These are the some points like it paid, targeted, formats, placement, cost. And in the future video we will discuss like each point of the Facebook ads, how we can set up the ads, how we can work on the ads. All the point will be discussed. So thank you for watching this video. If you have any question, you can ask in the comment section. Have a nice day. Take care.